We're going to look at house pets today. House pets. Dog. The dog is man's best friend. What animal makes this sound? It's a cat. Cat. The cat chases little things away. Hamster. The hamster is an active pet. 1, 2, 3.
Hamster.
Chameleon. The chameleon is a pet that can change colors. Turtle. The turtle is a slow pet. Fish. A fish tank is so much fun to watch. Parrot. Parrots can say people words. Snake. The snake is a smooth pet. Rabbit. The rabbit is a soft pet. Thanks for looking at the house pets today. Come back again soon.
Little Genius TV.
Please subscribe to our channel to see more Little Genius TV videos.